Geometry Dash Facts. Did you know if you click one of the icons on the main menu, you will actually kill them? Look. 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 If you spawn there, you'll kill them. And did you know you can actually get a free cube? Just click on this. And did you know that you could actually hang your YouTube channel here? Look, like you could hang your YouTube channel here if you click the settings button, and then you can actually use them. You can actually go here to check how much things you did, and these are your stats. And next, when you're creating a level, you can actually do this. Look, you can actually do this. You could actually do this. He's eating it. And you could actually make him eat blocks. And then, did you know actually in Dash it actually traumatizes you? Look, see? Boom. And it actually traumatizes you. And then if you go into the shop and then click on this guy, you'll get a free cube, which is this cube. I'll show you it. And then you would get this cube. Wait. You could actually turn on explode. And did you know if you get 10, did you know if you don't have enough map packs, just use this as the first color and then boom, free glow. Then you could actually use different spiders. And then there's actually a very lucky teeny here. Did you know in Machina Deluxe it's actually very easy? Look, I can literally beat it on camera. Look. It's actually very easy. Okay, I cannot beat it on camera, but did you know levels actually give free mana orbs? You can actually go to this guy's thingy, go here, and then wait. He sadly deleted all his levels. Sadly though, very sadly. Internal is actually almost a free demon. Look. Look how easy that is. Only a lot of new players could beat that. Did you know if you type the challenge, you'll get this? And then if you beat the challenge, you can go in here and then you have to unlock all the keys. And then you'll unlock this guy. And then, did you know actually you can actually go here and then you'll see a lot of your friends here. And then you could add a lot of people here. But the only problem, they might not add you. Mr. Spaghetti. Why are you now Lenny? Did you know if you complete a lot of map packs, you will need to go to the hardest one, which is Demon Pack 17. Moon Adventures is actually hard. Look, did you see? Did you see how hard that is? See how hard that is? If you click in more games, you can actually download more things. Did you know in Geometry Dash Lite, there will actually be a free gifts here? And then next, every time you change something, it will turn into the thing you just picked. Look. See, but that's actually kind of obvious. So, you could actually use colors. And Michigan, do you know him? Rest in peace, bro. You know why his glow is green? It's because he did not pick any glow before. And green is glow number 1. And then we're going to like levels. Recent tab levels. You'll get a lot of brain rot levels. Peace.